Hang on, let me get this off. Oh. So yeah, you need your hands, you need them free. And that's really difficult to do when you've got an iPhone and you're filming. So what am I going to do about that? I got an idea, but I need to go home. What do I want to watch? If I'm going to pick you up, I'll put this down. What do you think? What's that? What's that?
No, you're super silly.
Yeah, maybe don't do that. Hang on, let me get this off. Oh, not having it strapped to your head is going to be really helpful at times. And that's why this camera, the Insta360 Go 2 is going to be really helpful as a complement to your iPhone so you can have your hands free. Like it's really good for like if you need to go on your bike or if you need to drive in your car or something like that. Wait, drive in my car. There's something I'm supposed to get. I'm going to take this with me. Let's go. This way. I'm here. Let's get doing this. Hiya. I was wondering if I could buy a couple of things.
Yeah, no worries. We possibly don't have the stock on hand here, but we can certainly organise something for you there.
Oh, you can have a look, see if you got one in.
Yeah, no worries.
So they're the two numbers. They didn't have what I needed, but still, it's on order now. Get that on Monday. So maybe a little bit less like a dork than what I did before, like putting it here and also maybe there too, there. And yeah, it does look kind of dorky, but hey, I'm a dad to like preschool kids, so I'm gonna look a dork pretty much most of the time anyway. Might work. Like that. Hiya, thank you. Hello. What you got there? What's this? I must have had that hat on too tight. Look at this. Good grief. The Go 2 is pretty amazing for hands-free if it's those time shifts, those hyperlapses, or if you just want to have your hands free and hang around with your kids because, like I say, you don't want to be dad behind the iPhone the whole time.
That's fun.
The perfect accompaniment for your iOS device. Hang on, let me get this off. Oh.